Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account and data in the Brilliant application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it, and here in this page you should just click on account settings, and in under normal circumstances you should check out the personal info section, and here you can find the deactivate account or delete account options depending what you want, but unfortunately right now they don't work. So there is another way to delete your account. If you scroll all the way down, you can see here the export your data option. You can just press on it, and here you can see the delete your account and data. Just press on that, and here in this page all you have to do is just write in your current password here and press confirm down below, and your account will be eventually deleted. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.